Hey everyone, it's Amelia here, and I'm at the Adequan West Coast Dressage Festival. So I just rode Gatsby, and it's super wet today. We got like a lot of rain yesterday, and the arenas are pretty sloppy. So I decided to ride, and I always like to walk the arenas first. So this morning I kind of walked across the arena, and I decided it was okay to ride. It wasn't deep or slippery, but I was definitely a little conservative because it was really wet and sloppy. Definitely if you're at a show, you know, you kind of feel like you should ride because you're here, and it's never going to be perfect, but you also want to prioritize your safety and your horse's safety, of course. So if you have like a really young horse that's out of balance and you need to lunge it and it's not safe, then it's probably a good idea to scratch. So Gatsby was really good. I rode conservatively for sure. And I had one mistake where he broke to the trot out of the canter. But it was because I went a little too deep in the corner, and the corner was slippery. So he slipped a little, and I was really careful not to punish him or scare him. I just kind of walked and picked up the canter again because it wasn't his fault. He was being a really good boy, and sometimes you have to show when the conditions aren't ideal. You just want to make sure that you keep yourself and your horse safe, and sometimes you do have to scratch. So I hope this helps you guys one day when you're at a show and deciding whether to ride or not to ride.